Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
We have taken the proposals from Temple Connect to move ahead, starting with the Temple Connect meet in Goa in October itself. Developing spiritual circuits discussions have happened, and I think within the next 1 month we should be able to announce spiritual circuits, which also include not only temples but also build around it will be yoga, will be wellness and other things which will be made as one particular proper circuit. त्या करता असताना एक एम्पॅनल एजन्सी अपॉइंट करून तांकां projecting the state while changing the perception is a thought which we have started with the empanel agency with the thought which they will come after discussing with our people here who are sitting here will stitch a document which will allow this documentary to run in a couple of episodes which will start showing the perception change of what it is. छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज ची हिस्ट्री आमी सदांच उलयत आसा. सप्तकोटेश्वर नार्वेच्यान सुरू जाली आनी फर्मागुडी जालो आणि तीच ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी घेऊन आम्ही या वर्सा आम्ही the topic of discussion also happened of Shiv Jayanti festival which had announced in the last sector. Chief Minister wanted this Shiv Jayanti to be done in major part. 350 years of Rajya Abhishek, we need to have a coronation thing done well. And taja khatir organizing the Shiv Jayanti festival, tourism department will be organizing this at one venue, plus supporting the 6 cities which we have announced in the past. Prominently the fort at Ponda, which we are trying to look along with the development of the surrounding area, whether we can come with the thought of the museum there, how it has been done in terms of centenary celebrations in Maharashtra and surrounding areas, neighboring states, how best practices we can take so the next generation knows that Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj's contribution to the state in terms of the fight against the Portuguese and retaining our identity and retaining our temples. This is something which needs to be known by every generation. So